Okay, so here is a demonstration of my homemade furnace. As you can see, it's just it's made from stainless steel pot, to which I have lined with some refractory material. Then there's the burning chamber inside there, and for air supply I'm using my wife's hair dryer, and then a piece of plastic pipe. Now, to show you exactly how efficient the refractory material inside this thing is working, this is plastic pipe, and if you can take a look, it's not even melted at all, so no heat whatsoever is getting to the point where the air goes in. But on the other hand, all of the heat, as you can see, is contained right here in the inside chamber. I'm using charcoal as fuel supply. I guess this should melt. I'm trying to get this to melt aluminium, and of course maybe bronze, brass. In the next video I'll show you exactly how I made this thing. I'm using fire clay to cover the front, and to regulate the amount of air that goes in there, I just place a piece of cardboard paper at the back of the hair dryer. If I remove it and you take a look, see what's happening in there. But if I cover it up a bit, the fire. So I also regulate air supply by how close I take the hair dryer to the pipe. I'm guessing it gets like really hot in there. Take a look. See how hot that gets. I've gotten steel bright red, so I hope it will melt copper. It'll melt, of course it will definitely melt aluminium. I'm hoping it will melt copper so I can make some bronze. Alright then, thank you.